Welcome to the Crypto Nestor, right? So for Circle as well, it's pretty much all the same, is it? Coinbase, Circle. Well, Bitcoin is making a correction. Everybody else is making a correction. Once again, let's remember, I'm very, I don't know, I was, how should I phrase that? Uncomfortable to call this a 1-2 once again, because this 2 is so low, I mean deep, that yes, we did a third wave, yes, we're making a fourth wave, but now we need to just realize, okay, yes, this was a diagonal, and so the fourth wave can have more room. Already reached the past the 0.32, so I'm going to remove it, and the last level would be 93.76, even though it can go lower, but then it doesn't make sense if you want at one certain point, because if we want to have a higher high for this fifth wave, if we have a very deep fourth wave, then we're missing the point. We're going to have just barely a fifth wave that's going to make a higher high. What was that? Yeah, I think this was exactly, and you see now we need to go a little bit lower. So we're not that, 111.16 I believe was the previous high. Now we're going to go to 112.67. Yes, the fifth wave can push higher, it can extend for sure, but probabilities are what they are. And what is this? Oh my goodness, I think this is the MA200. Let's go and check it out. MA200. Can it act as a resistance? My dear, yes it can. So this is not a problematic thing, right? We will have to see if price can break this level here. For sure, if Bitcoin starts to skyrocket, I believe it will do that, no problem. But for the moment, yeah, Bitcoin, it's unsure what you want to do. It looks like he's holding quite well, I must say. But was this the fourth wave? Yes, we can argue we have micro 5 wave up, but then we have this huge wave 2. So if we do a retracement of that thing here, of the weekend high, you see we are holding there, and now it's the time to take back the control, if I can say. Let me take my settings. Going to be easier. So let me remove that and add that. There you go. Okay, so we don't want to go below 886. So 77,444 for me, it's not good if we go below that level. If we can now skyrocket, then it would be great. Well, but we shall see, because it's not going to be easy. And you can see that this level here, the 79,386, or even a little bit higher, it's a key level. If we want the price to push higher, okay, we cannot see anything here. I think it was this one. You see, this level here, it's problematic. It's this area, and as well here at 80,670 to round it up, it's going to be a strong resistance as well. So this is the challenge now. Can we push higher? If we can, it would be great. Ideally 86,000. I will take more profits at this level. Can we overshoot? Yes, we can. Yeah, this C wave, I mean, how can, and somehow now this start to become a Bitcoin video. If this is the A and this is the B, how Coinbase can benefit? Well, if this C wave really extend, and this could be a 1-2, and then we make a 3, a 4, and a 5, this is how we can reach even higher than 100k. But we're far from there now, and Coinbase is doing what it can. But I also want to mention that Hot and Money, it wasn't really following 100% yeah, the